So here are the ingredients we need for our underarm lightening. We need our baking soda and a lemon. Here's the bowl I will be mixing them on. Put in like a tablespoon of baking soda, depends on the quantity you want. Me, I make the one I use as a go. Put in a tablespoon, then cut your lemon in half and squeeze in a bit of juice and mix everything together to form a paste. Are you feeling my weight? Your paste shouldn't be too thick nor too light. So here is the consistency I want. Now let's go and apply. So let's apply it now. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. So I have finished applying. Let's wait for 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes. As you can see, it has dried off. The next step is to get the half lemon remaining and use to scrub for another 2 minutes or so. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. So after that, I'm just going to wipe off with a wet cloth first, like a baby wipe, before going to wash with warm water and soap. Guys, you need to be consistent with this to see visible result. At least do this 3 times in a week so you can achieve a flawless underarm. So I am back from washing it. You see, you can spot the little difference. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.